Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get translations with Deepl Translator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Deepl app on your device. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface with several options at the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Translator at the top. This is your main translation workspace where all the magic happens, and it's designed to be incredibly intuitive for quick translations on the go. Now look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find the language selection options. This is where you'll set up which languages you're translating from and to. You'll notice two language fields here. First, tap on Detect Language on the left side. This will open a drop-down menu showing you all the available source languages that Deepl supports. For this example, let's say you want to translate from Spanish, so scroll through the list and select Spanish. Deepl will now know that any text you enter should be interpreted as Spanish. Next, check the language field on the right side. If you're translating into English, you can simply leave it as English, which is often the default setting. However, if you need to translate into a different language, you can tap on this field as well and choose from dozens of supported languages. Deepl supports a wide range of language pairs, making it incredibly versatile for international communication. With your languages configured, it's time to enter your text. In the input field that appears, type or paste the Spanish word or sentence you want to translate. This could be anything from a single word like hola to a full paragraph of text. Deepl handles both short phrases and longer documents with impressive accuracy, capturing nuances and context that many other translation tools miss. After you've entered your text, just wait a moment. Deepl works incredibly fast, and within seconds you'll see the English translation appear in the output field below or next to your input depending on your screen size. The translation happens almost instantaneously, so you won't need to tap any translate button or wait for processing. The AI analyzes your text and provides natural-sounding translations that preserve the original meaning and tone. And that's it. You've successfully translated your text using Deepl Translator. The app makes it simple to communicate across language barriers with just a few taps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.